Welcome to my channel. Think you know your favorite artists? In this fun and fast-paced quiz, you'll see a series of emojis that hint at a famous singer. Use the clues, trust your instincts, and try to guess who it is before the timer runs out. Let's see how many you can get right. Guess the sound. Check the clue. The answer is typewriter. Did you guess it? Guess the sound. Check the clue. Smoke detector. Guess the sound. Check the clue. Bug zapper. Guess the sound. Check the clue. Microwave. Guess the sound. Check the clue. Washing machine. Guess the sound. Check the clue. Gas stove. Guess the sound. Check the clue. Thank you for watching my video about Guess the Sound. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, your support means a lot. Let me know your thoughts. Let's learn and have fun together. I hope to see you all in my next video. Stay tuned.